busy doing a lot of stuff that, hey, if he wasn't getting paid to do it, he wouldn't be doing some of the things that he does because he's got other things he enjoys doing that he can just do. But hey, when you see him do something, you'll be like, I get why Popcorn recommended him. So if I want Wes to do something like that for me, you better just go ahead and break bread and make him put it out there like Jesus said. Anyways, shout out to the W though, because like I said, that's another affiliate program link that we got. So if you ain't got you some links and sponsors, hey, you better figure out how to get these things. And if you can't figure it out, just holler at me because I'm showing you the ones that I done came up with. I also got one with the company I did the stamp with. Man, I ain't even used that one in so long. I done forgot what it's actually called. I'm gonna have to check back into that because we got affiliate links for days. I got so many of them now I'm starting to forget. Hell, I got to go back and review my own stuff. That way I know what all I need to be reminding people that we have available for them. Somebody needs to book another consultation because then I'll have to put up another presentation. Speaking of presentation, oh buddy, last night on Higher Desert Exotic, he came through with a 3 point presentation. I appreciated that because I initially came through, dropped the Buy Me a Coffee link for Higher Desert Exotic. Yeah, I dropped their Buy Me a Coffee link. It's just like this right here, right? It's just like this right here, like this right here, like right here. This shit right here. We call that El Fuego, okay? Go check out that interview they did over there. Use a Buy Me a Coffee link to get to their YouTube. Then you go to their YouTube playlist and you'll find last night's video, last night's live because it was hot. You see what I'm saying? They did that. They did it. But anyways, let's see. We an hour and 10 minutes into it. This must have been that roach blunt because it got me on straight chatty patty status, which is cool because it's a buy me a coffee video. I'm supposed to do a lot of talking, a lot of talking. Let's go to the business website. Shout out to the business website because, like I said, one of the things we use buy me coffee for was to build up the LLC, and this is one of the things that my buy me a coffee memberships pays for, which is my website because it ain't free. You dig? That's why I remind people when you actually out here doing this, there are things that are business transactions, which support from the supporters is always welcome because that keeps the business actually doing what it's supposed to do. And we doing what we supposed to do on that side. Shout out to keeping it legitimate. Shout out to the website because, like I said, hell, y'all know to go check out the website. It's got its own qualities for you. It's www.teamdwc.info. Yeah, indoor gardens content. Go check it out. And it's also got a link to the Buy Me a Coffee there too. So they all run together. One takes you to one brings you back to the other one. It's a circle of life. What do we say? You pass the information around. If you ain't passing it around, what is you doing? You see what I'm saying? Then you drop the Buy Me a Coffee link anywhere you go. Here, just use this. Yeah, just use this. Yeah, talk to me on the Buy Me a Coffee. Get them freebies and you can leave me comments also, right? See, there's another way to do things. Then I'll have to read them because you downloaded something. That's a cheat code. Don't be stalking me over there because I'll block your ass. But you get what I'm saying. Keep it P, and we'll keep it P. But let's see. We done talked about a lot of things. Back to the commercials and the videos. Because y'all know we got to finish the videos before we go show y'all the gardens. Shouts out to 10-1. It is dark mode right now, so y'all ain't going to get to see inside of it today. Because I ain't fucking with you like that. We did a short video about it, so go check out that short. See? Now you see how that works, right? I'm actually talking to people. Everybody in New York ain't even in the video. Shout out to people that's watching though. We met all kinds of customers, like this guy here. He's what we call an enhancement smoker, because he thinks that marijuana makes every activity that much better. Mi casa su casa. Observe. You're Scarface, right? Yeah. I love Al Pacino, man. Did you ever see Scent of a Woman? Yup. You ever seen Scent of a Woman on weed? That's the way to see it, man. It's just whack. $60, yo.